Hello and welcome to my cooking show. Today we are making keftadaki. Keftadaki is a traditional fried Greek meatball. They are light, juicy and simply delicious. To make this dish, we are going to need 6 slices of bread, 1 onion, some garlic, 2 squeezed lemons, parsley, 400 grams of ground beef and 400 grams of ground pork, olive oil, oregano, 2 eggs, and some sweet ground pepper, salt, and original pepper. First, we're going to add the meat in the large mixing bowl. Then we're going to add minced onion, garlic, and parsley. Then we're going to add the minced bread, some olive oil, and then at the end, squeeze the lemons. Take the wooden spoon and then mix it all together. Next, we're going to add the seasonings. Next, we are going to add 2 eggs. Next, we are going to mix it all together again. Keep mixing it until it's compact enough to create meatballs. Then, fry the meatballs until they're crispy and then serve them with rice.
A few moments later.
I hope you will enjoy this dish.